Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to create the Fault in Our Stars inspired nail art. So for this you'll be needing blue color nail polish, white nail polish, black nail polish, a toothpick and a earbud. You'll also be needing a top coat to seal in the whole design. So first you have to start off with blue nails. And then you'll need a bit of extra white paper. Extra paper, it doesn't have to be white, waste paper, whatever. And so you put some black nail polish onto it. And you take your earbud and dip it into it. So we'll be creating the cloud nails on our middle finger and the pinky finger. So first you create a small black dot, and once you get the perfect size you can continue making dots all around until you get a cloud shaped design. There we have it, a nice cloud on our middle finger. So you just have to repeat the same thing on your pinky, but make it a bit more elongated vertically. And there you go, 2 clouds for your Fault in Our Stars inspired nail art. Now you'll have to do the same thing with white on only your ring finger, because we're going to do a white heart on your pointer. So remember, a cloud only for your ring finger. So here's my white nail polish and waste paper and slush. Use the other end of the earbud, otherwise you'll get a grey mess. Also, I suggest putting a top coat on your nail before applying the white, because if the formula for the blue isn't good, then it will seep into the white and it will become a whole light blue mess later on. So there you have 2 black clouds and a white cloud. So now let's go on to the heart. So you take your earbud and make 2 dots that are almost near each other but not too close. Then you just drag them down to create a sort of heart shape. Then you can again go over it, making it perfect and all, or you can just use a toothpick and make your work easier. While using a toothpick, it's best to use a stippling motion so that it comes as a smooth line. Don't worry if it is all uneven and stuff, because this is where the top coat will help and it will make it all smooth. So since we applied the black first, it is safe to put your white nail polish on your black. So on your middle finger you'll be using your toothpick and white nail polish to create and write OK. As you know, that's very important in Fault in Our Stars, very meaningful stuff and all. And okay, so you might want to put a full stop. You want to or you don't, that's up to you. And now on your pinky finger you'll be writing a J and a G, which will stand for John Green, the author. There, a nice small JG for John Green. So now we can go on to the white. So now we have one OK on our middle finger and JG on our pinky finger. So now we can go on to the white cloud on the ring finger. So you're just going to write another OK, but using black nail polish this time. you go. A nice set of O and K. On our white heart, we are going to write H plus A, which means Hazel plus Augustus. So use the stippling motion. That is very important. So your design is done. Now all you have to do is wait for 15 minutes before applying a top coat, and it will bring in your design together. Wow, look at that, all the lumpiness has gone. Make sure to use liberal amounts of top coat because this is the most crucial thing in any nail art. Why I told you to wait for 15 minutes is because we've used black over white, and if the black hasn't dried completely, it might streak all over the white and your nail art will be ruined, and you won't want that with you. And there you have it, a nice set of Faulkner Stars inspired nail art. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.